Welcome to our BDIT domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
Today we will see how we can buy some services for TikTok, and for that you need to go to your SMM with your email and password, or you can do Google sign in also. If you missed our previous video, then go to our BDIT domain YouTube channel. You will get all those videos whatever you missed, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and share to others. Now in this panel you will get this all section. Before buying any of the services, you need to go to your add fund section and add your fund over there. After that you can buy any of services from this panel. If you missed our add fund section, how we can add our funds over there, if you missed that video, then you can visit our channel. You will get those videos as well. One more thing, that you can't buy any of the service before adding your fund. If you have zero balance on your panel, then you can't buy any of the services. So it is very important to add your funds over there, and let me show you that in this add fund section you need to add your fund over there through bKash, Nogad, Rocket, credit card, debit card, Visa or MasterCard, Payoneer or Indian debit card, Paytm, bKash manual payment, AirTM, Cashmal, promo code system, PayPal manual. There are lots of options. Whatever you are comfortable with, you can go with that way, and you can add your fund over there. So I have showed this add fund section also, how we can add our fund over there through bKash. So if you missed that video, you can visit our channel and you will get that video also. Now we will go to our new order section. So today we will buy some services for our TikTok channel. So you can see this is our new order section, and if you click on this new order button, then it will redirect you into this page, and then you will get this category section. From this category section you need to add your category. As if you are buying for YouTube services, then you can add your category for YouTube. If you are buying for TikTok, then you are going to add the category as TikTok, right? So let me click on this one, and on this category section you need to scroll down and you will get some of the TikTok services over there.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos, and to get notification, click the bell icon.